Okay, so I just noticed the previous video. I just noticed 5 seconds to go that it was about to end because I've only got 15 minutes for each video. Now just going back to where was I? We've done that. Set the text, set the space. Okay, right. Insert. This was this bit. Okay. Insert a page break before the text international T's at the start of the document. Okay. At the start, insert a page break. Okay. So just do insert break, page break. Okay. Format only the first page of the document as a single column. Make this the first page, a title page, by adding. Okay, so you're basically adding that center aligned underline. Okay. Now I'm just. Okay, so let's put it there. So I'll just undo that. Just going to type some words in so that why they go there. Okay. So I'm going to do that again. Insert page break. So I should be able to just, okay, try that again. T production in India. It said center aligned. I can't remember what size. Let's say 36. Right, and I think, yeah, it's in 2 columns. So we only want the first column. Now if I press 1, I'm fairly certain. No, it hasn't. Okay, I thought it was going to do it for the rest of the document. So, okay, that was easier than I thought it would be. So I've just highlighted that. And I've got 1 column, but it has kept the rest of it as 2 columns. Okay, that's the sort of thing that can be a real pain in Word. 48 underlined, okay, yeah, whatever. Below the title into the subtitle, okay, report by your name, so you'd know how to do that. Okay, it's a serif font. Make the subtitle. So this stuff I think you could do yourself. That is a serif font because you can see it's got these kind of frilly bits. So Times New Roman, that would be okay. So underneath you would have, you know, report by. Come on. Okay, report by, and then whoever you are. But that is that's a sans serif font, Arial. So you just change that one to Times New Roman, or I'm just there you go, typewriter. Okay, again that's a serif font. It's got the frilly bits. Identify the 6 subheadings in the text and make these, okay, yeah, it's the 6 subheadings. So you've got that, I'm guessing might be a subheading. Oh, right. Actually, so, okay, maybe that one. 1, 2, okay, 3, that would be that one. 4, 5, and key staff in the company 6. That would be it, I think. Okay, so you would change those ones to 14. Insert the contents of the file into the document after the paragraph that ends. Almost bitter tea of the mountain cumin. Okay. M16 2. Okay. Almost bitter tea. Right. So I'd have to. Okay. I'm going to click up here. Bitter. So if I type. Where's the word bitter? Nowhere. Okay, Command and F. Try that again. Bitter. There you go. Right, so after here, M16, so insert the contents of that one. So I'd open it up, I guess. Right. Okay. I'll copy everything. And that's to copy it. So it has to go there. I'll do paste. I just click there and I'll do match destination. Okay, so this is to do with masala chai. I'll quit that now. Okay, so that's that bit. What else we got? Format the subheading text. You've just to match. Okay, so that's just matching style. Change the bulleted list to use square-shaped bullets. Okay. Where's the bulleted? What have we done? Oh, this bit here. So it's that's the bulleted list. So you change that to square. Okay, that'll be 1 mark. After the last subheading, insert a table with 3 columns and 4 rows. Enter that. Okay. And then you're just formatting it, and then I think, then you put an image in, and then you're done, and then you're onto the database. Okay, so enter a table. I wonder if you could. I don't think this would work actually. I think you have to insert a table, 3 columns and 4 rows. Right, what I'm going to do is, I don't know if it said where to put it. After the last, okay, so here. So I'm going to do insert table. 3 columns. I can't remember. 3 columns and 4 rows, isn't it? 3 columns and 4 rows. Okay. 4 rows. So it's gone off the page. I'm just going to hit enter. It doesn't say it has to be on the same page, so keep it there. So I should actually be able to highlight that. Right click and maybe, oh, come on. Maybe right click and do copy. If not, oh my, okay. I don't know why it's done that. I really don't know why it's done that. Okay, I'm gonna left click, highlight it all, do Command and C. Click in there and do Command and V. Didn't work. Do match destination. Okay, still didn't work. Alright, forget that. I'll try it like that actually. Copy the row and see whether that works. Nah, still didn't work. So that's alright. You can do Command and X will cut, Command and V will paste. So this one, Command and X. Oh, okay, and Command V. So you do that for all of the. So I'll just imagine I've done that, and then the table should fit within the column width. And the text obviously much. Make sure there are no words. Alright, so what does it mean there? Okay, I got it. What's it saying? Don't understand what. The table should fit within the column width. The text in the table should match the font and. Alright, so you're matching it with the rest of the document. Make sure there are no words split over 2 lines. So, I guess it just means like that. I don't like the look of that. A bit of the table is missing. Just going to drag that back. Why is that? Okay, now it's come back. I'm just trying to resize the table a little bit. I don't like the way it gets here and then it shouldn't drag that over at the top. The trouble is, if I was an exam and this was happening, I'll just do the best I can. The end, as long as this bit's still okay, nothing has changed on this part, so that still looks the same. Right, I'm just going to deal with that, and it's missing off the final little, the right hand part of the table is missing, but anyway, I'm going to ignore that. I'm going to highlight that because I'm fairly certain it said to shade it, so I'm going to just put some shading in. You know, you match the fonts, whatever the body text is, that's the main bit. If I put an S in, you know, and this is why Word is so annoying. So I'll just put a load of, and they're gone. And why? Why, I don't know. Okay. See, there is no. Okay, back there. See, I'm trying to drag that. Okay, right, this is taking longer. Now, what I'm going to say is, I could work this out. But I'm trying to say in the exam, go with that. Don't get sort of too stressed. And then if you have time at the end, come back and sort it out. But that is, bold and center line should be visible when printed. Make sure the border, okay, come on. Click on that. I hate Word. I hate Word. I'm saying this out loud. So, so what I want to do is format the table. Table layout. Grid lines. So you can show or hide the grid lines. If I go to properties, you don't really need to know this actually, I think. Right, so the grid lines won't show. It's off or it's on. I'm going to go back to table, go to borders, and then just outside. And there you go, look, it's just completely. So if I do outside, yeah, and why is it just done that? I really don't know. So I could do all, and it's put it back in. So I'm going to do outside. Again, just do the outside. Okay. If I did print and print preview, you would then see what it's going to print out. So I'll just have a look. So it is again, I would go to table layout, switch the grid lines off. That should then sort that out. I'm looking and I've got just under a minute. So I'll just see what the final thing was. Image, resize the image. Okay, make sure the text wraps. That one, I think you should know. You know, you just insert an image and then just arranging it a little bit. The table is the one bit which I'm looking at the time. I'll just do file and print. I'm fairly certain the grid lines will be on it. Here you go. When you print it out, you might actually find then that the grid lines widths. Okay, I'll turn the grid lines off. Anyway, but that is the most part of paper 2. I've got to end now.